Kidsvision TV.
Hello kids and welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning to draw a rainbow frog. Step by step, let's start by drawing. I am drawing the lower side of a frog. Then I am drawing its upper side. I am drawing its ears. Let's draw with me. This is a rainbow frog. I am going to the next. Let's color with me. Pink color. First I am coloring its upper side.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo.
Red color. I am coloring its layer. It's the first layer of red color. Orange color. This is the second layer of this frog. Yellow color. This is the third layer of rainbow frog. Green color. This is the fourth layer of this rainbow frog. Light blue color. This is the fifth layer of this rainbow frog. Hope you enjoying. Pink color. This is the sixth layer of this rainbow frog. And the last one, indigo color. This is the last layer of this rainbow frog. Golden color in the middle.
Subscribe us for more videos.